All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver and an 8mm socket. Before any repairs, always unplug and disconnect your appliance. We need to gain access to the rear of the washing machine. Remove the screws holding the rear panel in place. On this Hotpoint model, there are 6 screws to remove. The rear panel can then be removed and placed to one side. On this Hotpoint model, the NTC sensor is attached here to the element. Firstly, unclip the electrical connector. The element needs to be removed to easily slide the old NTC sensor out. Start by unscrewing the 8mm nut, but not all of the way. Just take it to the end of the thread. Then give the bolt a sharp knock to push it down. This takes the pressure off the seal of the element and allows us to easily remove it. The old NTC sensor can then be removed from the element. With your new NTC sensor, slide it into the element and connect the electrical connector. If there's any resistance, use a small amount of washing up liquid to help lubricate the sensor and slide it in. You can then slide your element back into the washing machine drum. Tighten the 8mm bolt on the element. Then check all of the other connectors and make sure they're firmly in place. Reattach your rear panel and re-screw all of the screws back in place. And that's it, your new NTC sensor for your washing machine is all set to go.